Question number 1. In the following series, identify the numbers that need to be changed to from the Fibonacci series 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 13, 21. The right option is option D, 6. In Fibonacci series, every number is equal to the sum of previous two numbers of the series. That is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21। इसी तरह जब हम प्रीवियस टू टर्म आपस में ऐड करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आएगा। तो इस तरह ये हमारे पास 3 + 2 = 5 आता है और यहाँ 6 लिखा है। तो 3 + 5 = 3 + 2 = 5 आएगा। Question number 2. The ratio of two numbers A and B is 3:7. After adding 9 to each numbers, the ratio becomes 9:17. The numbers are A and B are. The right option is option D. Let the ratio be x. So, numbers A and B are 3x and 7x respectively. According to the equation, 3x + 9/7x + 9 = 9/17। इसको इस तरह सॉल्व करेंगे। (51x + 1 53 = 63x + 81). इसी तरह हम 63x को 51x की तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे, कांस्टेंट और कांस्टेंट दूसरी तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास x = 6 आता है। सो a = 3x, तो x की जगह फिर 6 पुट करते हैं तो ये हमारे पास बन गया 18। नंबर A and B are 18 and 42. Question number 3. The sum of the age of three people, A, B, and C, is 90 years. What would be the total of their age 4 years back? The right option is option B. Required sum is equal to 90 minus 3 cross 4 years is equal to 90 minus 12 years is equal to 78 years. Question number 4. Anu had a total of Rs 320 and the denomination of 1 rupee coins, 5 rupee coins and 10 rupee coins. Given that the numbers of coins for all the denomination is same, what is the total number of coins that he has? The right option is option B, 60. Let the number of coins of each denomination be x. Then x plus 5x plus 10x is equal to 320. इससे हमारे पास 16x is equal to 320 आएगा। फिर हम x की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं तो x is equal to 20. Hence total number of coins is equal to 3x is equal to 60. Question number 5. What will be the product of all the numbers on a telephone? The right option is option D. None of these. Because one of the numbers on the telephone will be 0, which give us the product of all the numbers as 0. 0 जब किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो वापस 0 आता है। Question number 6. A is 3 years older to B and 3 years younger to C, while B and D are twins. How many years older is C to D? The right option is option C, 6 years. Since B and D are twins, so B is equal to D. Now A is equal to B plus 3 and A is equal to C minus 3. Thus B plus 3 is equal to C minus 3. D plus 3 is equal to C minus 3. C minus D is equal to 6. Question number 7. In a garden, there are 10 rows and 12 columns of mango tree. The distance between the two trees is 2 meters and a distance of 1 meter is left from all sides of the boundary of the garden. The length of the garden is. The right option is option C, 24. Each row contains 12 plants. There are 11 gaps between the two corners trees. 11 cross 2 meters and 1 meter on each side is left. Therefore, length is equal to 22 plus 2 meter is equal to 24 meter. Question number 8. 12-year-old Manik is 3 times as old as his brother Rahul. How old will Manik be when he is twice as old as Rahul? The right option is option B, 16 years. Manik's present age is equal to 12 years. Rahul's present age is equal to 4 years. Let Manik be twice as old as Rahul after X years from now. Then 12 plus X is equal to 2 into 4 plus X. 12 plus X is equal to 8 plus 2X. तो X हमारे पास 4 आएगा. Hence Manik's required age is equal to 12 plus X is equal to 16 years. Question number 9. There are deer and peacock and a zoo. By counting heads, they are 80. The number of their legs is 200. How many peacock are there? The right option is option D, 60. Let X and Y be the numbers of deer and peacock and the zoo, respectively. Then X plus Y is equal to 80. ये बन गया इक्वेशन 1. एंड 4x plus 2y is equal to 200. इससे हम 2 कॉमन लेते हैं तो ये 2x plus y is equal to 100 बन गए. ये हमारे पास इक्वेशन 2 हो गई. इसी तरह ये इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को हम आपस में सॉल्व करेंगे तो x हमारे पास 20 आएगा और y is equal to 60. Question number 10. A man wears socks of 2 colors, black and brown. He has altogether 20 black socks and 20 brown socks in a drawer. Supposing he has to take out the sock in the dark, how many must he take out to be sure that he has a matching pair? The right option is option A, 3. Because since there are socks of only 2 colors, so 2 out of any 3 socks must always be of the same colors. तो इसके साथ हमारे 10 MCQs पूरे हो गए. इसी तरह MCQs के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल अंजुम प्लस को सब्सक्राइब करें और मोटिवेशनल के लिए हमें लाइक कर दें।